Hey guys, welcome back to Latoski Family Farm. As you can see, not quite beekeeping season anymore, but today we want to talk about our snow pusher that we got from Homestead Implements. We absolutely love this thing. We have a gravel driveway, so it's got adjustable feet so we can lift it up so it doesn't scalp our driveway and take our gravel and put it everywhere. As you can see, we got quite a bit of snow right now. We had a blizzard come through. A lot of snow and a lot of blowing. We have one tree that came down that we're gonna have to take care of, but we just figured we'd take a minute. We'd show you our snow pusher. It's got a nice back drag on the top. My ramp going up into my shed here, I can curl the bucket and I can pull it right back and drag everything back off from it. But we'll go ahead, we'll get the tractor started up and start showing you how this thing works. So we'll go ahead, we'll let this warm up for a little while, and when it's warmed up, we'll pull it out and start taking care of the snow. Well guys, while we're waiting for this tractor to warm up, I decided I'd go grab a ruler and see just how much snow we got. You can see right here in front, we're at about 22 inches. I've probed a few spots throughout the property. It's anywhere from about 18 to 24 inches of snow. We had quite a bit of wind that came through with this storm, so a lot of it kind of drifted up and blew around, but anywhere from 18 to 24 inches. As soon as this gets warm up, we'll get you set up and we'll start pushing some snow. All right, guys, that's probably gonna be about it for this video. We really like this snow pusher from Homestead Implements. It's got adjustable feet on the bottom. Allows us to not tear up our yard, tear up our driveway. We did opt to have this steel back drag put on the front of it. It allows me to get up close to my garage door and back drag away from it. It allows us to stack this up pretty high. I mean, for reference, I'm 6'5", so that's probably 10, 12 feet high. We do snowplow a lot of our property. That way we can access everything during the winter time. But I think that's going to be it for this video. We probably won't post a whole lot throughout the winter. There's not a lot we can do. We do have a heated shop now, so we'll probably be doing a little bit of stuff to prepare for next year for our bees. We have some deep boxes that need to be repainted and put back into service. We're looking to make a pretty sizable expansion on the bees next year, so probably doing a few things this winter we'll bring you along for. But other than that, we'll see you guys in the next one.